In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the URL links in Todoist. If you've been using Todoist for managing your tasks and have encountered issues with your links, you're in the right place. Let's walk you through the process step by step to ensure your links are working seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to log into your Todoist account whether you prefer using a browser or the desktop app. Both options will work just fine. Once you're logged in, it's time to find the task that contains the problematic link. This is where our focus will be, and we'll make sure that everything is set up correctly. Now that you've located the task, let's start by ensuring that the URL is in the proper format. A common issue that many users encounter is related to the URL itself. It's important to double check that your link starts with either http:// or https://. This might seem minor, but web browsers require this specific syntax to correctly identify and direct to web links. If the URL doesn't start with one of these, your link likely won't work. Another quick checkpoint is to ensure there are no spaces within the URL. Spaces can disrupt the link and cause it to break unexpectedly. Take a moment to examine the URL carefully, ensuring it's a continuous string of characters without any interruptions. This small inspection can save you from larger issues later on. Moving on, let's enhance the link using Markdown, which Todoist supports for clickable links. Markdown is a lightweight markup language that editors like Todoist recognize, and it allows you to format text elegantly. By formatting your URLs using Markdown, not only do they become cleaner, but it also opens the door to custom link text. The format for creating clickable links in Markdown is straightforward. Use square brackets followed by parentheses. Here's how you can do it. Type your desired link text within square brackets, then immediately follow this with the actual URL inside parentheses. For example, if you want your task to read visit our website, it would look like this: visit our website, www.example.com. This approach keeps your tasks looking neat and ensures each link is direct and functional. And there you have it. By ensuring your URLs start with the correct protocol, checking for spaces, and utilizing Markdown for clickable links, you can avoid the common pitfalls of broken links in Todoist. These simple steps will help you maintain a smooth and efficient workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to optimize your usage of Todoist. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other tips and tricks. Happy organizing!